I gotta say, trees are one of my favorite creatures on the planet. And I had an epiphany moment not too long ago about how trees are a perfect representation of when masculine and feminine energies are working together in harmony. When we look at a tree, on one hand, we can see that it is standing upright, tall, firm, touching the sky, representing a masculine energy. And on the other hand, we can see that it is also capable of bending and being flexible. We can see that it is literally, it spreads out its arms to receive the light of the sun. And depending on what kind of tree it is, depending on certain weather conditions, temperature, season, certain trees are even able to bear fruit. It is also this light which allows the tree to beautify itself with all these vibrant colors and whatnot, representing a feminine energy. And so I love trees, trees stand the test of time. If only we all can be more like a tree.